Hello, this is Jordan from Nexus Property Management Fall River, and we are looking at 20 Division Street, Apartment 2 in North Attleboro, Massachusetts. This is a second floor, 2-bedroom apartment located in the middle of North Attleboro. Right now we're in a small little common area. It's kind of in the corner of the apartment here. To the left here, we have the first bedroom. You can see that this apartment has hardwood floors throughout. We have a nice little built-in shelf straight ahead here. We also have the closet here with a sliding door. This apartment has been recently renovated. Moving back out, straight ahead we have the main entrance door, and then going on to the second bedroom. This is the larger of the two bedrooms. You can see right away that we have more built-in shelving here. A great little benefit to this apartment. See more of that beautiful dark hardwood floors. And then we have a large open closet here as well. A lot of space for storage. Heading back out to the right here, we're going to the kitchen area. Kitchen floor has vinyl flooring on it, so you don't have to worry about water damage. You can also see that there is plenty of cabinets and drawer space. Large kitchen countertop as well. We have even some small decorative windows to the left and right of the stainless steel sink. We have the nice stainless steel and black refrigerator that matches the electric stove over here. Going to this little hallway, we have two little folding door storage closets right before the bathroom. We have the bathroom here. You can see two sinks for this bathroom, large mirror. We have the toilet and full-size tub and shower. Same vinyl floor for this bathroom, same as the kitchen. And then we have the back entrance and an additional storage closet here. This apartment does have plenty of space to store your items in. And this property is managed by Nexus Property Management. So you do have benefits such as being able to pay rent online, contact staff, as well as access to a 24-hour hotline number for all your emergency repairs and maintenance needs. Again, this is 20 Division Street, Apartment 2 in North Attleboro, Massachusetts.